Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching English lessons. Today our lesson is patriotism and we will read and translate this lesson. Before that, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Before starting our reading, we will discuss about some words which are noun or adjectives, and will check their meanings on English learner. So let's start our video. First of all, we will check meanings of some difficult words, and after that we will read and translate this lesson, patriotism. Now let's start. Patriotism means love for the motherland or devotion to one's country. Here is the patriotism means motherland, nationalism, loyalty to one's country, and love for one's country. Patriotism means love for the motherland or devotion to one's country. मुहिब्बे वतन का मतलब है एक मदरलैंड से, अपनी वतन से और मोहब्बत करना, और डिवोशन टू वंस कंट्री और अपने मुल्क के साथ लगाव रखना. अ पैट्रियट लव्स हिज कंट्री. एक मुहिब्बे वतन अपनी कंट्री से, अपने मुल्क से मोहब्बत करता है. एंड इज़ विलिंग टू सेक्रीफाइस व्हेन द नीड्स अराइज. और हमेशा तैयार रहता है कुर्बानी देने के लिए जब भी उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. द वर्ड पैट्रियट कम्स फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड. लफ्ज़ मुहिब वतन एक चीनी ज़ुबान के वर्ड पैट्रियोटा से अराइज हुआ है, विच मीन्स कंट्रीमैन, जिसका मतलब है हम वतन. इट इज़ अ कंसिडर्ड एंड कमेंडेबल क्वालिटी. ये एक काबिल तारीफ़ समझी जाने वाली खूबी है. दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. Now we will check some words, some meanings of different words, and also check their grammar value. Here is the English learners, and the meanings have words have meanings there. Patriotism, it is a noun and its mean hubbul watni in Urdu. Synonyms: nationalism, loyalty to one's country, love for one's country. The next word is motherland. It is also a noun which means watan, mulk. Its synonyms is country. The next word is devotion. It's also a noun which means lagao, lagan. Synonyms: love, loyalty, dedication. The next word is patriot. That is also a noun and which means watan se mohabbat karna, lover of one's country. The next word is willing. It is adjective. That means tiyar, amada, ready to. The next word is sacrifice. It is a verb which means kurban karna, and its synonyms is give up, abundant, surrender, yield. The third last word is consider. It is also a verb. It means samajna, and its synonyms is believe, think, deem, regard. The second last word is commendable. It's an adjective and it means kable tarif, and its synonym is admirable, praiseworthy, laudable. And the last one is quality. It is a noun which means wasf, khubi, and its synonyms is trait, feature, attribute. So guys, this is the first paragraph of our today's lesson, patriotism, and we have also discussed the meanings and the grammar values of different words, and also see the synonyms of these words. We will read the next paragraph in the next video, and we'll also translate and we'll check the synonyms and meanings of all the difficult words in the next paragraph. Now let's end the video. Before that, please press the like button and share with your friends. See you soon in the next video. Take care.